Good morning. I'm a state certified driving instructor. I teach teens and adults. Today we're going to talk about the 7 most dangerous holiday driving habits. Number 1, it is distracted driving. You're sending texts, you're calling coworkers, you're calling friends, you're talking to your mom, you're talking to your dad. This takes your mind off of the driving process. Holidays are very fun, but also they're a very emotional time. You may have lost a loved one. You may have lost a boyfriend or a girlfriend. You may have a new person in your life. You have to stay focused on the task that's driving. Number 2, impaired driving. You may have had a little sip at work. You may have had a drink at your friend's house. Maybe you're in college and you partied before you're coming home. Impaired driving is buzz driving. If you have one drink, that alters your number 1 thing is judgment. Number 3, pressure driving. You have to drop your friend off in Texas. Then you have to go back to California. And then you find out that your uncle is sick. This puts tremendous pressure on you to get home, to have clothes clean, to maybe have to pick up a suit or something, because things happen. Don't put that pressure on yourself. Tell your parents, Mom, Dad, I will be home. I need to get myself together mentally and emotionally. Next, fatigued driving. Many of us don't get a lot of sleep, me included. If you're under 5 hours of sleep, that puts your body and mind into a groggy state. You're almost driving impaired. It's really important, especially during COVID times, that you take mental health days. Keep your mind focused, keep your body focused. Next, drunk driving. It is very prevalent in our society. Within 2 hours of time in North America, 2 people will die. 1 person dies every 48 minutes. We need to take personal responsibility not to drink and drive. Next, inclement weather. We all think, hey, I can drive during this weather. It's no big deal. It's snowing, rain, fog. You as a driver need to know your limitations. If you are a beginning driver, that's someone with less than 10 years of experience, you need to realize, hey, I got to slow down. Mom, Dad, I'll be home tomorrow evening. I'll be home Wednesday. I'll be home Friday. Don't put that pressure on yourself. Next, fatigued and stressed driving. The end of the semester is coming up. A new driving class is starting. You have your road test coming. You as a driver, a human, need to take time. Hopefully you enjoyed this. This brought you value. And if it did, subscribe to my channel. I do driving tutorials. Give it a thumbs up. And thank you. Happy holidays.